Okay, my beautiful friends, it is Thursday. Thursday. I know I made a mistake yesterday. I think I said the day was wrong, but today is Thursday. Okay. August 20th, 2020. People, we got the good, we got the bad, and we got the ugly. I don't know what to start off with here. Um, let's start off with the bad, okay? Um, and this is terrible. It really is. It's very sad. And I know it goes against the narrative of Larry Kudlow and Steve Mnuchin. You know, according to them, we're in recovery. According to at least Larry Kudlow, V-shaped recovery for the economy, which, these are lies. They could not be of a higher order. We just found out yet again another 1.1 million U.S. citizens have lost their jobs here. There is no recovery in sight. We are in an economic deep freeze. This is engineered all by design. But again, Kudlow, V-shaped recovery. We're doing great. Mnuchin, oh yeah, economy's definitely on the way up. You got to be kidding me. You can't make it up. But again, these subhuman individuals must lie. We know the agenda. We understand what they're trying to pull off here. But it's insulting. It's insulting because they believe that you and me, we're just stupid. And we're not stupid. But anyway, that's the situation. So that was, I guess, the bad. Now, how about the good? Okay, here's the good. So you might want to sit down for this one. So we understand that U.S.-China trade talks got postponed. President Trump came out and made a point to say it was him that canceled the talks. He has no intention of talking to China at this time. Well, guess what happened pre-market today, because futures were down over 200 points with regarding to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Well, U.S.-China trade talks, they're back on again, and they're going to happen soon. Again, this is fake. The only reason why this story was floated out is because stock futures will lower. But this is what they do. They're trying to manipulate your mind because they think you're stupid. Yet again here, this is what happens when you got, this whatever's going on here, it's just too sick and it's too twisted. All right, let's talk about a few other assets here. We got cryptocurrencies catching a bid here. You got gold and silver down fractionally. You got crude oil down about 1%. You got the dollar under pressure yet again. So I would say the dollar is the ugly part here. And look, the dollar being under pressure like this, we all know the mechanism behind it. They're phasing out the dollar in its current form. It's common knowledge now. New dollar is getting ready to roll out. But the weaker dollar, the fact that we are in an economic meltdown, that we are in an absolute economic collapse, not according to Larry Kudlow, though, it's a V-shaped recovery. The guy should be banished to some kind of a deserted island. His mouth should be duct taped even though there's no one there, because the guy cannot tell the truth. Neither can Steve Mnuchin. These two characters they're out there. I really think that they're public enemy number one, maybe even worse than the Federal Reserve. They're all playing this together. I don't know. It's some kind of a twisted thing here, let me put this together for you real quick. I like to create nicknames for people. You know who Yellowstain is, right? Yellowstain is the Fed chair. Larry Kudlow, he's Coke Boy. And the man has probably snorted more cocaine, this is a fact, he's admitted this, than any man on the planet. Maybe not more than Rick James. Now, with regard to Steve Mnuchin, I'm going to write this down for you because I don't think I'm allowed to actually say this without getting in trouble. But this is my nickname for Steve Mnuchin. Yeah, that's who he is. I want you to understand that. And again, these characters, they're going to continue to lie to you on an epic scale. It's just the norm these days, the lies, the corruption, the propaganda, the misinformation, the misleading of the people on a scale that I don't think we've ever seen before. And that just plays right into the new world order, this new America. It's a terrible situation that we are in. So that's even more ugly. So again, let's put this together in summary. Right now, stock futures, regardless of the fact that they floated out the story that China trade talks are back on again. Can't make it up. You can't make it up. Especially after President Trump said, it was me. I was the one that canceled talks because I didn't want to talk to China. But now they're on again. Only because stock futures will lower. Look, markets go up. Markets go down. If the stock market goes down today, oh my, what a horror show. Stock market can drop from time to time. And I'll probably be in here adding to my current positions for my lions out here. Because again, what did we find out yesterday? The Federal Reserve said our economy is in dire shape, contradicting Larry Kudlow and this person, Steve Mnuchin, yeah, him. And so we're not in a V-shaped recovery. The economy's terrible. Couldn't be worse. Millions of people, tens of millions out of work here. We're in a depression, but the stock market doesn't realize that. I mean, 2 days ago, we just hit new records with regard to the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. Now people are up in arms yesterday because the stock market fell fractionally, and maybe it'll fall today. Are you serious? Oh my. So sick. But that's it. That's where we're at. Anyway, look, that's pretty much it, people. That's it. All right, look, I love you guys and girls a lot. Please share the video. Get it out there. Look, please follow me on Twitter if you don't, because I give a blow-by-blow all day long on this. Also, my chat room, traderschoice.net. Like, I cover things all day long. Some of it gets me in trouble with people. Look, here's my take on this. I kind of get off a little bit on getting people triggered, and sometimes I go out of my way to do it. If people are allowing themselves to get triggered, just good. I say let's trigger them all. I like it. I kind of find it entertaining. All right, look, I'm out of here. Again, love you. See you later. Bye.